shit's getting weird. Port Infinity.
Everything except for honey.
But you gotta tell me what everything.
Okay, bacon.
Bacon?
Bacon. Yeah. Them chips, them chip things.
Hot Cheetos?
Hot Cheeto. Cheese on there, you know?
Not yet.
Ketchup and mustard.
Ketchup, mustard, cheese?
Yeah, that sweet bread. Sure you want some of mine? Yeah, regular size. I'm about to post that motherfucker before I eat it.
At the very beginning, he was like, everything but onions. Onions is where you draw the line? Whoever's eating that meal needs to be quarantined for anywhere between 60 and 90 days because that meal is diabolical, bro. Your farts and shit's gonna be diabolical. I pray for whoever you live with. If you live with anybody in that house, we need to send them some gas masks. We need to send them some gas masks, yo. Because ain't no fucking way. The bubblies that you're gonna have is gonna be crazy. Prayers, well wishes, and possible condolences to your family.